Hi guys, this is Rehan and you're watching Amar Technology. So quickly get started. So today we are checking about HP printer which you can purchase up to 6,000 rupees. It's an ink printer, scan, copy, HP Dark Jet 2165 printer. So guys, this is a printer. Look in one. Guys, unboxing has done. So like, go and check this out. This printer. Look at this. Guys, this is a printer. HP printer, guys. Here are the branding of HP, and here we have to put papers. From the downside, the paper has come out. Here are the all functional buttons. This is a HP logo, and this is a scanner. This all-in-one inkjet printer. From here you can check this out. And this is my computer. This is the guys, this is a color print from this computer. It is a very fast print. It will be doing very fast print. And this is a black and white print. It is a nice, of cost of this, very nice and very premium. Comment below down which video does guys you like next.